Today I'm doing my nail care routine and it's really easy. It's how I maintain my long nails. So if you want to see how I prep my nails, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off by removing this yellow nail polish with my favorite nail polish remover. I'll have it linked in the description box below. I'm just taking a cotton ball and soaking it in the nail polish remover and removing the nail polish. To remove my cuticles, I use the Sally Hansen cuticle remover, and I'm just putting a little bit on my cuticles. Now I'm just taking this cuticle pusher and I'm just like dispersing the product all around my cuticles. After doing that, I just wait about 5 to 10 minutes to let the cuticles soften, and then I go ahead and start pushing the cuticles downward. After that, I take my cuticle remover and go ahead and scrape the dead cuticles off, and I just wipe them on a napkin. Now I'm just taking the napkin and removing the excess cuticle remover. I then apply the Sally Hansen Vitamin E Nail and Cuticle Oil, and this really helps my nails grow and stay really strong. So I just apply it on the cuticle. And then I go ahead and just rub it all over my cuticle and my nail. I let the oil soak in for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I go ahead and wash my hands and my nails to get the oil off. And then I just file my nails, and they're already the coffin shape, but I just like to tidy them up a little bit. So that was my nail care routine, and I do that every week right before I paint my nails. So if you liked this video, then like and subscribe.